Happy CA to everyone. The CA curriculum is considered to be the most toughest as well as the most value added profession in any economy. So I am proud to be a part of the CA community. In my career, the CA has added much more credit to my entire lifestyle as well as the ability to think, the ability to apply in various situations and so on and so forth. CA is considered as the best by most of the people due to various reasons. The first reason is it has more practical application of the knowledge what you have learned. So CA curriculum has broadly your articleship, your studies as well as the post qualification. Nowadays, the articleship period is not considered as serious as many considered in the past. When I started the CA career, rather as a CA entrant, I had few questions. How I will be able to clear? How I will be able to focus and study? When I stepped into the metropolitan city Chennai and attended a Big Four interview for CA articleship, I could see a range of students who had varied experience, who was able to speak better than me. The way in which they were able to communicate with each other was far higher, and even I was not able to sit in the particular room where the interview was proposed to be conducted. I was doubting myself whether I could clear. Then, due to certain reasons, I could not get into the Big Four. Then I decided I would start my career in a mid-sized firm. But to my surprise, the firm where I started as a CA student completely transformed me into a product that is exactly what we can call into a raw material, into a finished product, including specialization. So now I am standing before you with specialization on taxation, the direct tax as well as indirect tax. The foremost question which one of the partner told me at the time of joining the firm is, just because you score high marks in your 12th or 10th standard, it does not mean that you will be able to crack the CA exam. The very word gave me an idea that the CA curriculum should be considered very seriously, and I should put my effort to the best of my ability and should clear it. It had so many ups and downs, ranging from the work pressure throughout the day, managing the classes morning and evening, how do you manage the weekends. Even most of the days have passed even without looking into which day you are in. The 3.5 years of articleship in a set firm gave me immense experience across various sectors, and even at the basic level it transformed me as a human being. The entire credit goes to the firm as well as the CA curriculum, which taught me even the very basics of how to staple a paper, how to use a computer, how to communicate with the seniors, how to learn from the more experienced person in a humble way, how to represent before the tax authorities without affecting the ego, how to represent, how to prepare a submission, how do you write, how do you express yourself, how do you market yourself, how you can sit for hours together, learn, train your peers, train your articles, work along with multi-variety of people, so on and so forth. I started with zero, but now I can happily say that I am not zero now. It has incredibly added value to my lifestyle. Always a CA has to fulfill two criteria in my personal opinion. One, how you can comply with the law, that is how you can protect yourself being a signatory. Second, how do you provide service to a client in the way in which he wants. It's a dual fold effect. The industry always expects a CA professional to guide them what they have to do and the right way what they have to do. In order to achieve this, definitely you should have the subject knowledge as well as the practical experience of handling things. It does not come within a day's time. It requires lot of hard work over a period of time, and obviously the firm which you select during your articleship is very much critical in your life as a CA student. Fortunately, I am blessed with that. The firm in which I started as a CA student gave me multiple variety of work. Rather, I have experienced multiple situations which taught me how to survive. I repeat, how to survive. This is also one of the key qualities of the CA curriculum. It will teach you life lessons of how to survive on your own. In many of the situations, we will not be aware how to handle it, but your seniors, the situation which definitely will warrant you to come out of your comfort zone and give the best of your ability. Coming out of the comfort zone is little difficult for most of the people, but it is a game changer. The moment you come out of your comfort zone, you are able to speak with confidence, you will be able to handle the situation wiser. The CA curriculum, not only for me, for many of the aspirants of how to come up in life, is the solution. It has earned a credit for me in the society, a name, and the ability to reach out people, the marketability, and obviously the knowledge which I and many other people have gained both during the articleship as well as a post qualification is immense. But it all with the effort of the firm which I started. I always indebted to the firm. I am proud that I did articleship in the firm called R. Subramanian Company, wherein Mr. R. Subramanian is the founder, and there are multiple partners in the firm who taught me at the very young age what to do, what not to do, and how to do. These three mantras will remain in my life forever. Whether I know the subject or not know the subject, I am sure the guidance which the partners in the firm gave me, and still the belief which they have in me, will always give boost to the energy and the support which I want to give to the society. Many of us consider CA as just tallying the balance sheet, but it is not so. Nowadays, with the advancement of technology, everything can be done at fingertips. But the basics, which is very important, of tallying two different numbers, the ability to read the numbers, read between the lines of tax law, can never ever be changed with any technology. Humans always possess a certain degree of intelligence than the technology, the basics. So obviously, CA curriculum has given most of the students the very basics of how to read a number, how to apply in a particular situation. The future of CA is not just dedicated to the primitive way of doing an audit. It has changed entirely the way in which a person looks at a CA profession. Days have changed, so it is also time for us to change. A technology based auditing and the very lines which a CA has never touched, it's time for us to reach the heights. To reach that, you require two things. One, the vision that you will be able to achieve. Second, the means of achieving it. Once you know these two things, whatever might be the heights, you will be definitely able to achieve. To conclude, the so-called Kanakku Pillai, in Tamil we used to say a chartered accountant as Kanakku Pillai. So the so-called Kanakku Pillai is no longer a Kanakku Pillai. I am proud to be a CA and part of the community. I wish all the CA aspirants to take up the CA curriculum and the articleship seriously, learn the fundamentals well, apply at the right time within the corners of the law and the right way as the client expects. Serve the society to the best as always. Thank you. Shankar.